Hey, what's up, Kings fans? I am hanging out in the kitchen of Kings Chef Brian, and today we are bringing you the winning recipe. My man, Chef Brian, is going to be cooking one of his favorite meals that the players love.
Yeah, by all means. This is something we have often here is a little beef meatball here. I've already put in a tablespoon of chopped garlic, chopped shallot, and I take and put a 1/4 cup of raw quinoa inside of it.
Wow.
To extra fortify it with a little extra protein there.
Looks good.
I put another 1/2 cup of diced carrot, 3 good pinches of Italian leaf parsley, good pinch of chili flake, good pinch of Italian seasoning, and some seasoning salt.
Cool.
About 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 4 dashes of my favorite hot sauce.
Let's go.
There we go.
Kicking it up a notch. I'm with it.
Here we go. We just mix it up, mix it all together by hand. Make sure it's well mixed. You want to get all those flavors incorporated throughout the entire meat mixture here. Ooh. Just take it, ball it up, and put it in my trusty cast iron pan here.
Beautiful.
And then from there, we're gonna go.
And obviously high protein, beef, mixed with the vegetables and spices.
There
is
you
a pretty
go.
clean
The
meal.
quinoa. Yeah, they come out great.
And then that quinoa cooks, obviously.
Yeah, it just takes the moisture right out of the meat.
Wow.
And carrot, and then put it right here on the side and light her up.
Well, I mean, obviously there's a lot that you can do with beef. What are some of your other favorite recipes?
Beef ragouts. We do beef tartare, where you're serving raw beef.
Wow.
Flat iron's a favorite. Easy to cook.
Okay, adding a little red sauce here. Woo! Beautiful. And that quinoa's plumped up.
Quinoa plumped up. It should be soaking in all the juices of the meat by now. And like I said, usually we put this over a dish of rice or la faro or maybe a risotto or even pasta. Hit it with a little Parmesan cheese on top. A little bit of nice little Italian parsley. And I like to put a little extra virgin olive oil right on top.
Yeah,
just to
you should.
hit it up with a little fat. And there we go. Beef meatballs. Just like Grandma used to.
Yeah, classic. With a nice little healthy twist.
Hot.
Woo. Another delicious beef meal created right here in the Kings practice facility. Huge shout out to Chef Brian. Thanks for serving this to our players, keeping them healthy, and thanks for feeding me too. I appreciate it.